Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys the most worth it crops to get right now on this fall event. And I think the most worth it is obviously going to be the maple resin, because even though the size isn't as big, for instance this cocoa mango is 60 almost 70 billion shekels, I don't know. But even it's super big and has a lot of mutation, the maple resin is a transcendent crop, sorry. And as you can see, with all of these mutation, it costs 91 billion, I don't know, trillion. I don't really know how to I don't really know the numbers for it. But right now it is the maple resin. I know it's a little bit difficult to come by, but you're just going to bloom you're going to contribute to the fall bloom just many times. It didn't take me a lot to get it. As you can see, I only have 186 fall blooms, and I already got the maple resin four times, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so I have two maple resin seeds here and two maple trees here. So I've gotten it four times already. And right now it is the most worth it plant ever. It can also replace bone blossom if you didn't get it. If you didn't join when it was the prehistoric event, you can use the maple resin instead in replace of the bone blossom, so you can cook transcendent recipes. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.